wishing you a happy Hanukkah. Celebrate light. Celebrate freedom. Celebrate unity. Celebrate Hanukkah. Light up your menorah tonight. Light up the world with a deed of goodness and kindness. What is Hanukkah all about? Take a journey back 2,000 years. The Jewish people had been living peacefully amongst their neighbors when a Greek tyrant rose to power and sought to eliminate the practice of Judaism by imposing Greek culture and religion on the Jewish people. With the future of their religion at risk, Jewish children bravely gathered in caves under the guise of dreidel play to study the sacred texts of tradition and keep Judaism alive. The Maccabees, a courageous group of Jews, band together to stand up for freedom and the right to observe their religion. Ultimately, the heroic Maccabees defeated the mighty Greek army in a miraculous victory and reclaimed Jerusalem and the Holy Temple. The Jews found the temple in shambles, but worked quickly to clean and restore it to its former glory. Alas, it was time to rekindle the lights of the menorah, a sacred daily tradition. But there was no sealed olive oil to be found, and this was the only oil that could be used to light the menorah. The Jews did not give up. They searched until they found one small jug of oil. Even though the oil was scarce, the Jews were not discouraged and immediately lit the menorah. They were astonished to see that the flames continued to burn for a full 8 days and nights until they were able to procure more pure olive oil. It was a miraculous sight to behold. As we kindle the lights of the menorah in our homes each year, the flickering flames remind us of the miracles of Hanukkah and awaken the spirit of bravery, hope, and light that can combat even the darkest challenge. Let their light shine bright in your heart, home, and world. Please welcome the Dancing Dreidels.
1, 2, 3, let's go! I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh dreidel I shall play. Oh dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh dreidel I shall play. It has a lovely body with legs so short and thin. When it gets so tired, it drops and then I win. Oh dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh dreidel I shall play. Watch it spin! I'm kinda dizzy now. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Oh dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh dreidel I shall play. Oh dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, oh dreidel I shall play.
Welcome to the Great Gelt Challenge. Who will be the winner? Keep your eye on the gelt. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Where's the gelt? Clap your hands to share your guess. Score! play again, this time in super speed. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Where's the gelt? Clap your hands to share your guess. Score! Nice job! Thank you for playing the Great Gelt Challenge.
They come in all shapes and sizes. Some tall, some short, some fat, some skinny, some old, some young. Some are traditional, some contemporary, some are complex, some are simple, some are memorable, eternal, miraculous. Every candle is different in its body. Every candle is the same in its soul. Differences happen when we focus on the candle's body. Love happens when we recognize the flame of its soul. Let's hear the story of the flames. Smile a little brighter. Unite in a space of oneness. Extend a helping hand. Be the light you wish to see in the world. Happy Chanukah.